Ethereum demolishes the $4,200 barrier as derivatives platforms explode 70% in a single day. Meanwhile, NFT mindshare doubles overnight. This is the perfect storm we've been waiting for, and it's happening right now. I'm breaking down exactly what you need to know in the next 6 minutes. What's up, crypto family? Alex from Moonward Capital here with your Crypto Pulse Flash update for August 10th, 2025. If you're new here, twice daily we break down what's actually moving markets so you can stay ahead of the crowd. No fluff, just actionable intelligence. Today we're witnessing something I've been predicting for months. The great infrastructure rotation, where real utility is finally outperforming pure speculation. Let's dive in. Let's start with the big picture. Ethereum has shattered the critical $4,200 psychological barrier, currently trading at $4,154, up 5.49% in just 24 hours. Bitcoin is consolidating at $117,000, essentially flat with a 0.48% move. But the real story today is happening in the infrastructure layer. Derivatives platforms are absolutely exploding, with a 70.33% sector-wide surge led by GMX's ridiculous 49.8% breakout on their V2 infrastructure upgrade. Meanwhile, L2 scaling solutions are up 27.62%, and DeFi protocols have jumped 20.2%. This isn't random. We're seeing a clear pattern where utility-focused infrastructure platforms are capturing massive capital flows. And check this out. NFT mindshare has literally doubled overnight from 4.5% to 8.05% as CryptoPunks approach a 250K floor price. The cultural renaissance is happening alongside the infrastructure revolution. Let's zoom in on this derivatives platform explosion because it's the most significant catalyst right now. GMX has absolutely detonated with a 49.8% surge on their V2 infrastructure upgrade. What makes this so important is that they've achieved what many thought impossible: institutional-grade derivatives trading with decentralized ownership. Their new isolated liquidity pools and Chainlink Oracle integration have delivered a 50% latency reduction while maintaining decentralization, something centralized exchanges can't compete with. This isn't just another random pump. We're seeing record funding rates across the board, with BTC at plus 97%, ETH at 0.98%, and SOL at an astronomical plus 1.47%. Think about what this means. Institutional capital is flowing into decentralized derivatives infrastructure at unprecedented levels. This is the exact evolution I've been talking about, where utility finally trumps pure speculation. Ethereum breaking $4,200 isn't just about price. It's about validation of the entire infrastructure thesis. This is the first time ETH has held above $4K in 2025, and it triggered a massive 290 short liquidation cascade. Look at these on-chain metrics. L1 tokens have captured a record 21.57% mindshare, the highest in months. L2 scaling solutions have exploded 27.62%, as platforms like Aerodrome Finance, 19.02%, and Zora, 17.09%, demonstrate that applications built on solid infrastructure capture massive value. The institutional momentum is undeniable. Even Arthur Hayes just reversed his bearish stance, purchasing 10.5 million worth of ETH after selling at 357 just days ago. BlackRock's ETH array continues aggressive accumulation amid what's becoming a structural supply shortage. This isn't just another pump and dump cycle. We're witnessing the infrastructure renaissance, where proven utility platforms are capturing sustainable institutional capital flows. Meanwhile, the NFT sector is experiencing its own renaissance. Mindshare has doubled overnight from 4.5% to 8.05% as CryptoPunks approach a 250K floor price. We're seeing major sales like Punk Nurber Melbourne Pone 21 going for $2.57, while Azuki and Bored Apes show fresh wallet accumulation patterns from institutional-sized buyers. This isn't 2021's retail-driven FOMO. This is calculated institutional collection accumulation. The cultural legitimacy of digital ownership is being validated alongside the infrastructure revolution. When cultural assets gain legitimacy, right as infrastructure utility captures institutional flows, we're witnessing crypto's final evolution from pure speculation to mature financial ecosystem. Here are the critical metrics to monitor over the next 24-48 hours. ETH's defense of $4,200 as institutional flows continue above $200 mailers daily, derivatives platform adoption metrics following GMX's breakthrough, NFT floor price sustainability, and institutional collection accumulation patterns, infrastructure token performance versus speculation assets as capital rotation accelerates. We've reached the inflection point where infrastructure utility and cultural legitimacy are creating sustainable institutional demand beyond speculation cycles. The great infrastructure rotation is accelerating as proven utility platforms capture institutional flows. Position accordingly. If you found this flash update valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for our twice daily Crypto Pulse updates. No fluff, just actionable intelligence. This is Alex with Moonward Capital, helping you stay ahead of the crowd. See you in 12 hours for the next Crypto Pulse.